Welcome to the Safeway Gangway Technician's Safety Instruction. Prepare for a smooth transfer as we show you how to safely navigate the gangway. Our top priority is your safety. We'll cover everything from mandatory PPE to emergency procedures, functionality overview, and cargo operations. We end the video by taking a closer look to the safety information card. Mandatory PPE. When using the Safeway gangway, it is imperative to prioritize safety by wearing the required PPE, including safety shoes, a hard hat, safety glasses, and gloves. Depending on the specific project and circumstances, additional PPE such as a life jacket, fall protection, or immersion suit may also be necessary. A Safeway representative will provide a detailed explanation of the exact PPE requirements for the vessel and project at hand. Please ensure that you comply with all PPE requirements to protect yourself and those around you. Functionality overview. Let's take a look at the gangway's layout. The base of the gangway is called the pedestal, which connects to the mast with hinges. The top platform is the slew platform, while the lower platform is the waiting platform. The entrance platform is optional and only installed when necessary. The outer boom is connected to the slew platform, and the inner boom can move in and out of the outer boom. The roll compensation keeps the mast vertical relative to the vessel, allowing the booms to move sideways. The inner boom can telescope in and out, while the top section can be lifted to any required height on the mast. Emergency procedure. In case of a system failure, the alarm procedure will be activated, and emergency procedures will begin. If the alarm sounds, follow the instructions accordingly. The alarm and evacuation signal will ring for 5 seconds before the inner boom automatically retracts and slews into a safe position. This is indicated by a red flashing warning light and a siren. Follow the procedure as follows. If you are waiting on the slew platform or stairs, turn around and return to the vessel or stay on the waiting platform. If you are on the outer boom, hold the handrail with both hands and return to the slew platform. If you are on the inner boom, hold the handrail with both hands, crouch down, and brace for movement of the gangway. If you are on the stairs, step onto the structure deck immediately and clear the stairs. If you are standing on the boom tip, step back onto the inner boom, hold the handrail with both hands, crouch down, and brace for movement of the gangway. It is important to always follow the instructions provided by Safeway's banksman or operator. Cargo operations. Contrary to these images, during lifting operations, a tagline should always be attached to the load to keep the lift under control when landing. During lifting operations, persons on the turbine deck will function as banksmen. During all operations, persons on the turbine deck must warn the banksman to prevent possible collisions between the Safeway boom tip and the offshore structure. Safety information card. Before using the gangway, it is essential for the transferee to carefully review the safety information card, which contains important details such as mandatory personal protective equipment, PPE, general instructions about the system, and an overview of the top section of the gangway. If the transferee has any doubts or questions, they should approach a Safeway representative for clarification. The rear page of the safety information card outlines the necessary actions to be taken during an emergency retract. It is crucial to thoroughly study this information to ensure safety. Have a safe transfer.